Namaste, I'm Hema, and it's with great pleasure that I bring to you my soul's mission, Atman Mission. It's been a long held dream for me. All my professional life, I have worked with the disadvantaged, I've worked with the underprivileged, and through my counseling, I have tried to help people, heal people in whatever way that I can to give them an insight on how to better their lives. Now, through Atman Mission, I wish to extend these services. Okay, so it's with great pleasure that I bring to you Atman Mission. I am launching my website today, so I hope you all go through it and see the different services that Atman Mission will be providing. Basically, Atman Mission will be working in a couple of areas: counseling and motivational trainings and speeches. Definitely, that has been always been a work that I have done, so that will be definitely one part of it. The other is catering to the mind, body and the soul. Okay, the getting the energies and aligned in all of our bodies. Okay, so there will be yoga, meditation, pranayam programs. Okay, and for the healing part, we would have the Reiki healing and the intuitive tarot card reading that I do. Okay, so these are the services that I will be bringing to you personally. And the other thing that Atman Mission will be working on is the community reach. These are the upcoming programs which I will be unraveling soon. Okay, so this is the community reach. There are programs that I will be having, especially for the elderly and for the homeless people. Okay, so there is I'm planning to start 24 hours helpline, a toll-free helpline for the elderly, as well as for the homeless, okay, and any disadvantaged people that we can think of at that moment. Okay, and the creative aspect of this expression. Okay, so the self requires expression, so the creative aspect, the creative expression, for that I'll be definitely working in the field of music therapy, dance therapy, as well as art therapy. Okay, and one of the major areas that we will be working on is the nature and bringing nature into our lives. Okay, so organic products, naturally produced products. So Atman Mission will offer a platform where people who produce, who people excuse me, who manufacture organic products, organic hygiene products, natural hygiene products. So Atman Mission will give you a platform where you can share this with the world. So that is one of the major works that Atman Mission will be looking into. And another area that we will be working very closely, we also want, through the nature thing, the organic thing, my aim is to make local markets a part of our life. Local markets where in our neighborhood, where organic produce will be available, where organic and naturally produced hygiene products and everyday use products will be available. So that is one of the major areas that Atman Mission will be working on. And I also want to bring in the Tulsi culture. So all those who are not aware of it, Tulsi is the holy basil, which emits 100% oxygen. Okay, so to bring in these times, we require a lot of positivity. We require oxygen. So the Tulsi culture will be majorly promoted and encouraged through Atman Mission. So these are a couple of the programs that Atman Mission has in store, and I'll be unraveling all those programs very soon. The meditations, the Atman Kriya and the other meditations, I have developed them myself, and these are very easy to do, simple to follow in everyday life. Okay, in whatever life, whatever profession that you are in within your home, so they are very easy to do. So in a nutshell, if I have to tell you what Atman Mission is all about, it's about simple, easy to do lifestyle changes for the wellness. Okay, in all aspects of our life. So I encourage you, I welcome you on this journey of mine, and I would also urge you to go through the website and extend your support in any form that you can. Give us your, I welcome your suggestions, your guidance, your support, okay, for Atman Mission. So thank you so much, and I welcome you all to Atman Mission once again. Namaste.